Welcome to Dinosaurs vs. Star Wars. Each day this month we pit a prehistoric legend against a galactic icon. Who would win? Let's find out. Parasaurolophus enters making its famous honking call. Jabba responds with whatever sound Jabba makes. They begin a full-on noise battle. Parasaurolophus out-honks Jabba with ease. And the winner is Parasaurolophus. Jabba recruits it as part of his palace band. Who should battle next? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for another epic showdown.